It may only be November, but more than 250 Santas at the C.W. Howard Santa School are already decking the halls for Christmas. Charlie W. Howard, the featured Santa Claus in the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade for 17 years and a consultant on the classic Christmas movie Miracle on 34th Street, started the school in 1937, says Tom Valent, the school's dean.
At that time, there was a great need for good Santa, better Santas. Santas didn't portray that image that we want. Santa Claus stands for all good things. And some of the gentlemen that were portraying that image weren't up to par then.
Today, Santas really don't have that problem. They attend the school for a variety of different reasons, such as learning Santa sign language, facts about reindeer, and how to do proper dress and makeup. They also become familiar with the newest wish list toys, gain interview experience for radio and TV, and get tips for managing their business taxes. Robert Davis, who's played Santa for 30 years, has attended the school several times.
I think no matter how good you are at whatever you choose to do, you can always be better. And it not only does the school teach you so much, but when you interact with 250 fellow people that love the same thing you do, you learn something new every year.
No one knows exactly how many Santas have graduated from the school, but conservative estimates place the number around 15,000. During that time, there have been students from North America, Europe, Africa, and Australia. This year, the school not only has Santas from all 50 states, but also 20 from Canada, 3 from Denmark, 1 from New Zealand, and 1 from Norway. This is Oslo Santa, also known as Fred Oster. It's his 8th time at the school.
I have been Santa this Christmas 65 years.
The Santas never claim to be the one and only real Santa, but rather the spirit of Christmas. At the school's opening night Santa Walk, they tell visiting children they're cousins of Santa. They also never promise anything, instead saying they'll try their best.
Anywhere I go, I try to make my contact and exchange with that child the very best that it can be, because that could be that child's best 5 minutes of the year.
After all, as founder Charles W. Howard was fond of saying, he errs who thinks Santa enters through the chimney. Santa enters through the heart. For VOA News, I'm Erika Celeste in Midland, Michigan.